Welcome to Understanding Hood Cleaning and Compliance. Welcome, everyone. I'm Sean,
And I'm Jerry.
founders of Iron and Light Coaching. Today we will guide you through one of the most overlooked yet profitable trades: professional commercial kitchen exhaust hood cleaning. This training is designed to show you what the industry is, why it's growing, and how quickly you can enter it, even with zero experience.
How we built a six-figure hood cleaning business. We started with no background, funding, or prior trade experience. Learned code compliance, NFPA 96, OSHA, EPA fire safety regulations. Discovered massive demand across restaurants, hospitals, and schools. Refined systems and now packaged them into this certification program. For 5 years, we built and operated a successful hood cleaning company. The demand shocked us. Every commercial kitchen is required by code to maintain their exhaust systems, yet the industry is severely underserved. After studying fire code and working with hundreds of clients, we built the exact certification we wish we had when starting our hood cleaning business.
What is hood cleaning? Deep cleaning of the hood, filters, plenum, ducts, and rooftop exhaust fan. It prevents grease fires by removing highly flammable deposits. Required by NFPA 96 to ensure kitchens meet fire code standards. Failure to maintain systems lead to shutdowns and insurance denials. Hood cleaning isn't just pressure washing, it's regulated fire prevention. Grease buildup in exhaust systems is one of the leading causes of commercial kitchen fires. NFPA 96 requires systems to be cleaned to a certain standard, and your role as a technician is essential to preventing catastrophic fire events.
Income potential in hood cleaning. Average job revenue ranges from $500 to $1,200 plus. Most kitchens need cleaning every 30 to 180 days, creating reoccurring revenue. A small client list, 10 to 15 clients, produces strong full-time income. Low competition and minimal startup equipment required. Hood cleaning is one of the most profitable entry-level trades. You aren't competing against thousands of companies. This industry is niche and underdeveloped. With basic equipment and strong service, it's realistic to scale to six figures rapidly, just as we did our first year.
What's included in the certification program? Training on full hood system theory and mechanics, NFPA 96 OSHA and EPA compliance education, safety training, chemicals, equipment, ladder practices, step-by-step job processes, containment to inspection, full downloadable student resource kit, and job checklist. Students receive professional grade resources and real job walkthroughs. This isn't a shortcut or a surface level training. This certification prepares you to perform at industry standards, ensuring your work meets compliance and safety requirements.
Real hood cleaning job walkthrough. Containment setup, plastic control, and magnetic sealing process. Rooftop fan teardown, inspection, and grease containment management. Interior duct assessment using proper tools and lighting. Active pressure washing techniques, rinse, drying, and final inspection. This training includes real field images and videos showing every part of the process. You will see exactly how systems operate and how a professional performs each step. These walkthroughs prepare you for real job environments.
How certification works. Complete online course modules at your own pace. Pass the final certification exam covering compliance and techniques. Receive an official Iron Light certification with verification page. Use credentials for employment or launching your own business. After completing the modules, you'll take a final exam to verify your readiness. Once passed, your certification is issued and verifiable by employers and clients. You'll have everything you need to begin working immediately.
Student success timeline. Week 1, complete foundational training. Week 2, watch real job demos, practice process understanding. Week 3, take and pass the certification exam. Week 4, start applying for jobs or booking first clients. Most students can go from zero experience to professionally certified in a matter of weeks. The program is designed for fast implementation so you can start earning quickly.
Why Iron Light is different. Built by real hood cleaning business owners with field experience, uses real-world images, not stock or simulated content. Focus heavily on compliance, not just cleaning techniques. Provides lifetime updates and global certification credibility. Iron Light offers training grounded in real field experience. Students gain the knowledge required to pass inspections, maintain credibility, and deliver professional results. Compliance-based training sets you apart from your competitors immediately.
Enroll today and get certified. Access to full certification course and student resource library, downloadable tools, checklists, and brand starter kit. Full system walkthrough modules and safety training, lifetime access with free updates. This certification gives you everything needed to start a high-income, in-demand trade. Whether you want a job or to build your own business, this program provides the strong foundation required to succeed.
Your new career starts today. A recession-proof trade with global demand. A professional certification you can complete quickly. A path to strong income and business ownership. Hood cleaning changed our lives. It's a real trade with real income and real opportunity. If you're ready to get certified, Iron Light Coaching will support you every step of the way. Enroll now to begin your journey.